Okay, so we have a hit down left field line here. This is the cut for any hit to left field, whether it's down the line or right at the left fielder. In this situation, the runner's on second base, so there's going to be a play at the plate. If that being the case, the third baseman needs to be the cutoff. Notice he gets in here on the infield grass area. Depending on the strength of the outfielder's arm, determines the depth that the third baseman gets. Shortstop will be moving over to cover third base. If we need to cut the ball and the runner's coming back to third, we could have a potential back pick play there. Outfielder's job is to throw a line drive through the third baseman's head. In many cases, it's a one hopper right to home plate if the third baseman doesn't catch it. If he throws a high looper, the batter will easily be able to notice that and he'll head on over to second base. So we want to be able to keep that runner at first base. As we throw the play in this situation, the ball comes all the way home. Notice the pitcher's job is to back that up. The right fielder's job is to back up a potential throw to first. If it was to get cut off and the runner starts coming back, could be a potential throw that way. Right fielder's backing that up. Center fielder backs up any throw to second base. Left fielder, after making that throw, could potentially be backing up that play if the throw goes to third. So everybody has a job.